Hey guys, I'm Shar,
Hey, I'm Ari.
and today we wanted to film for you guys a what I eat in a day. So we're just going to show you what we're eating and hopefully give you guys some vegan ideas and snacks and food you can eat. So check it out.
Enjoy!
Hey guys, morning. We just sat down and we're going to eat some breakfast. So of course we're going to show you what we are eating. Here we go. We'll turn the camera around. Super smooth transition. So here is my breakfast. It's pretty basic. I have this most days honestly because I just love peanut butter toast. So yeah, I'm just having 2 pieces of toast with some peanut butter, and then of course our classic tea. We always have a black tea every morning, and then we just put some soy milk on top because it definitely tastes the best for a non-dairy creamer to us. And Ari, what are you eating today?
Okay, so I'm just having cereal. It's basically like an off-brand of Grape Nuts, if anyone's ever had that. And it's just like 2 ingredients, just like whole wheat flour and grain, so that's why I like it.
Whoops, oh my gosh.
And then
Classic. And here's Ari's tea.
my cup of tea, which I need to guzzle down.
Yeah, somebody's just getting up. Anyway, so we just wanted to show you guys what we're having for breakfast, and we'll talk to you guys at lunch. Hey, it's Shar here, and I am making a spicy tofu veggie sandwich. It's a really easy thing to make, great for a work day or a day of school, and it has both some tofu, so you got your protein in there, and a bunch of veggies. It's really easy to make. So I have some sliced tomatoes, I have a bunch of little sliced jalapenos if you like spicy, some avocado, some spinach. This is the tofu. The brand is Wildwood. It's organic, and we really like this one. And then of course we got some Dijon mustard and some Vegenaise, and I'm just gonna throw it all together and show you the result. Alright, so I finished the sandwich. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. You can see I got a lot of good stuff in here. The avocado, the veggies, the rest of the veggies, the tofu. And this is just a great filling sandwich. So I cannot wait to eat this. Oh yeah, and I toasted the bread to make it a little yummier. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my lunch. So I've got one of my fave recipes for lunch because it's super simple. It's a tuna salad, but no tuna salad. So it's actually chickpea base. We've got some mayo and mustard mixed in there and some pickles. Normally I add some red onion and celery, but didn't have that today, so that's okay. And some salt and pepper for spice, and a little bit of habanero salsa today, or hot sauce, just to see how that goes. And then to add in the middle, I added some chopped habaneros and spinach, and that's it. Let's see it. Yummy. Looks delicious. I mean, pita's always great, so putting it in a pita just makes it better. And I just got an orange on the side, massive orange. How's the Sammy, Shar? It's delicious. It's already half gone.
She's shoving it down.
Yep, I'm very hungry. Definitely a great sandwich. I finished my pita wrap. It was delicious. Oh, that's a terrible angle. I finished my pita wrap. Forgot to mention there's avocado in there, and also it tastes really good with tomato as well, and cucumber, like any added veg. Just thought I'd add that. Char's finished her sandwich. 1 out of 10, Char? I'm gonna give it, put a little too much Dijon today. So Dijon is a little overpowering, so I'll still give it like a 7. But usually it's like a 9.
Yeah. Ooh.
9.5 maybe.
Wow. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Finish my massive orange.
And Tig's chilling here. Tig, how was your lunch? 1 out of 10? Okay.
Good stuff.
Alright, so this is what we're going to be making for dinner. This is from the Deliciously Ella cooking app, and it's a eggplant and lentil curry. They just call it aubergine in England, that's why it says that. And yeah, this is a great app. I love cooking with it. It has the details, the ingredients, the method, some notes about it. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be cooking tonight for dinner. Alright, so here's all of our ingredients for the lentil curry. So obviously here we have the red lentils, we've got some spinach, we've got some soy milk, we need an eggplant. It doesn't call for kale, but I'm going to throw in a bit of kale because I just need to use this up. And we've got an onion and garlic. And the spices over here, we've got coriander powder, we've got some cumin seeds, some cinnamon, some turmeric, and salt, of course. And then we just need some coconut milk here, some coconut oil, and some tomato paste. And we're gonna start cooking it up. So I just wanted to share everything that we're eating, and I always snack while I'm cooking because I'm super impatient and just always hungry. So right now I'm just eating some applesauce because something sweet sounded good. So just want to let you guys know. So if you guys don't know this trick, to peel garlic, always smash it with the side of the knife, the flat side, because it comes off way easier. It crushes it, and then you can just take the peel off pretty darn easy, and there it is. Fun facts with Char. Yeah. All right, so we have our dinner made. Finally. By Chef Char today. She usually cooks. And yeah, it looks really good, so let's check it out. Check it out. Yeah, here it is in all its glory. The eggplant, spinach, and a little bit of kale lentil curry. And we're just gonna have some pita on the side because that sounded pretty good. Yeah, I'm super stoked. The lentils took a little bit longer than we thought it would for some reason. They just like weren't cooking, but it is all ready to go into our tummies. Hello again. We just finished our dinner. The curry was super yummy. Thanks for cooking. Yeah, it was really yummy, and Char's used that app a lot, the Deliciously Ella app, for some yummy recipes. So we'll link it down below. Yeah, we'll link it down below in case anyone's interested, wants to download it themselves. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe because it's really gonna support our teeny little channel. And yeah, stay positive.